press it to them to shoot, this will happen. We got this factory second ammo, and we got the chronograph. We're gonna run it on the strike bag and see what type of numbers it's putting out. It's supposed to be putting out 1150 at the muzzle, pistol rating. All right, we got about 4 rounds loaded up. We're gonna see what numbers we getting out of that. Yeah. 1203, 1207, 1213. 1196. Okay, I'm gonna see if I got my booster where I could try a pistol, because those numbers are still kind of good. All right, so I got another box that was no issues, and we're gonna load 4 of those up and see what numbers we got coming out the chronograph. So it's the same ammo. This one just said factory seconds. All the grains is the same. 1267, 1265, 1258, 1274. So out of that, the numbers was a little bit higher than the factory seconds. I don't think it's that slow. I thought it was gonna be under 1,000, where it was gonna be like subsonic, but I don't have my booster to try it on a pistol, so we'll do that in another video and see what numbers we get out with a pistol. But that was the Strybog, and I think that's like an 8.5-inch barrel. I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.